Nice work, road roller. The road roller needs to roll out this road over here. Is he ready?
Yes.
All right, roll out that road. Wow! He's got a mind of his own. Go grab him and roll out that road. Oh, he rolls over everything. Oh, he can make everything flat. Nice work, road roller. There's some of these. Yeah, you got it, road roller. What a good job. You're doing a good job flattening out that road. All right, it looks like his job's done too. But Logan, look. Our vehicles are so dirty. Should we take them to the truck wash?
Yeah.
Who should take first?
Let's go. But yeah.
Hey Logan, I think you might need some bubbles because bubbles hold on to dirt. I'll pour the soap in. Can you make the bubbles? All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Spray! Oh, careful! Keep going, keep spraying. Nice work! All right, that looks good. Now, I'll give you this special tool. We gotta hook it up.
And
There it is.
you also need some more brushes.
That's a great idea. Do you want to use this one or the brush?
I'm just using
Okay, let's put some bubbles on our vehicle. Scrubs off the dirt.
If I were you, I would rather use a small brush.
You know what? That's a great idea. This is too big for such a small vehicle. Let me get the small brush. This one's better?
Yeah.
This is called a detailer brush. I'll get
Can you get it in here?
Yeah, after I'm done with the back, I can get the front too. Wow, this road roller must be really happy to get a bath. I'll get the front. You take care of the back. Good job cleaning up this road roller. Look out! It's time! Woo! All right, can you drive him away? Put him right to bed?
But that way, first we're gonna polish his wheel.
So clean and so happy. Oh, wow, he's shiny. Of course, let's look at it together. You actually push this down and then you can pull it out. Down, there you go. Look at you, perfect. Now that polisher's good to go. Perfect. And then you might want to use this one at the end. There we go. All right. Good night, Trev.